Hello, my people. From Untouchable Mama, una dey, hope una dey fine. I greet everybody. My brothers and sisters, I thank all of una as una take dey help me to dey share the video, dey put like, comment. I really appreciate. I say thank you very much. May God bless you all. God go really bless una and do well. My brothers and sisters, this one where I carry come today, na another one where I still see today. Na another one where I still see for Facebook street market. This one happen for Italy. I do one, I think na yesterday I do one wey happen for Germany. Wetin dey do some of our people? Me, I no really understand. I no really understand wetin dey do there. Like this one now, they cry for there, they do live video, say, Mona help me share, Mona come see wetin Italian people they do me, Mona see wetin Italian people they do me, they not give me money, they give am document last year, money they not they give am, they not give am resident, una I'll put the video, una go listen. Some people, their brain, they live am for Africa because they not carry am follow body. They not carry am follow body, they just live am for Africa. Or maybe they live am for Libya. Maybe na Libya na they live am put. Because when they do something, I dey ask myself, say, wetin dey do all this one? You where, abi you no where? This one they do live video now. E dey talk, e dey shout for there. It's anytime where the one wey me pick for inside, anytime where in they do like this, that they call ambulance for am, call Ogbalegbe come for am. She no know, say, she dey do herself now, she no know. Because once you dey do anyhow, they call Ogbalegbe for you, they call ambulance, you know the next step, they will say you know where. Say you get mental problem. Because some of our people, if they do something, they know the reason. They feel say that they do those people. You don't spoil your record. Because when they do something, they feel say they do the Oyibo people. Oyibo na help them dey for us. Na help na dem dey for us. We no fit come use our frustration come put for their body. They still get their own people when they take care of. They get their people. Our people, some of our people wey just use their head say knack war, wey they don't reach here, they don't misbehave. If they misbehave, the one where they pay me pass, those other people wey go come again, they come they use the same height till they look, they say this one na still the same thing as the other one be. You know, not say Oyibo they do one thing. Once they know say you be Nigeria, they'll come they do you say all Nigerian are the same. They'll say all Nigeria people they be the same. Whereas we are not the same. The one with their head still correct. Those one with their head where they live on for Libya, they still there. This one they shout now say, Mona come see what Italian people they do. Mona call, una give me a document for you. They give you documents. You know if you go find may you go find house, may you go put yourself for resident. Now they will still give you resident. Now they will still give you passport. Now they will still give you food. Now they be Buhari. Now they not be Buhari. They not be your president. Now help na dem dey. Some of us make they remember say now help all these people dey. Then they help us. When they'll vex now say okay all these things now it don't fool our hair. We want to throw away some of them. So they want pack them go their country. Then they'll call the shout say hey this country they not good. The other country they be racist. The other country they be this one. This one they shout now. No, be Oyibo they do one thing. If you don't they misbehave, they'll come they give you one injection because they'll say your head not correct again. They give you because you know they do like normal person. Normal person no carry phone, just the record they shout say, Monaco, Italian people, the normal person no do one. As I they talk now, the other thing say, oh, maybe I dey against the girl. No, you have to behave well. Behave as a normal person. Don't they behave like dog, like person where head not correct because they will say your head not correct. You see, he use a matter talk and say, anytime when she talk, they will call ambulance, call Ogbalegbe. Because they call ambulance because they say your head not correct. Because person where head correct, they not call ambulance for her. If you not take time now, your document, the document, they will kill her for your hand. Put and say, they'll write and put, say, you get mental problem. Our people, they misbehave, they think say they do the Oyibo people. Now they do not safe. And later, now when they cry, say the country, they're not good. Whereas now, not good. I'll put the video. Mona watch am, my brothers and sisters. Mona behave well. Yeah, not be Nigeria. Una bye-bye.
Whether una wan give me or me go know. Whether una want to kill me go know. Because una give me documents since last year June. Una don't pay me any money again. Next thing una don't do for me. Passport una don't do for me. The next una they call police, they call ambulance for me. Una they call police, they call ambulance for me. Men I sit there, Italy, men I come sit there, they working belly me, they working belly me for Italy, they working belly me for Italy, men I share this video, men they working belly me for Italy, they working me, they working me, they working me for Italy, men I share this video, men I share this video, men I share now, men I share now. What don't know what give me a big go no? What don't know what give me a big go no? What don't know what give me a big go frustrate my life? What don't know what frustrate my life? When I want frustrate my life, since last time I give me document, I don't carry me gospel, I don't do that thing for me, I don't do passport for me. When I give me for a year, pay I don't pay me again. When I want frustrate my life, when I want frustrate my life, when I want frustrate my living life, when I want frustrate my living life, Italy won't give me Italy won't give me, men are gonna rescue me, men are gonna rescue me, they won't give me, they won't give me for Italy, they won't give me for Italy, they won't give me for Italy, men are sit there, men are sit there, men are sit there. If I told them they call police, they call ambulance for me. If I told them they call police, they call ambulance for me. Men are sit there, men are sit what they do me for Italy. Now say they still do me last year. Now say they still do me last year. They last year they give me document, they don't do that for me, they don't do passport for me. They don't carry me gospel, naughty. They don't carry me gospel. Men are sit there, men are sit there. Men I sit there, men I get this video. Men I get this video. Men I get it. You don't leave me alone. You want to collect my phone for me? No. Do you want to collect my phone? No. Okay. Do you want to collect my phone? No. Are you the one buying it for me? Are you the one buying the phone for me? It's your phone. Okay. Don't touch my phone. Alfredo, don't touch my phone. Video. If I told them, they call police, they call